The audacity this guy has, Yogesh, oh my god. They were living in Delhi for 3 days. Akanksha, she played the whole sympathy card. In the whole bisexual thing, Ruru ने मुझे धमकी दिया था. किसको बेवकूफ बना रहा है? किसको? What the hell? What the hell? Against a girl who's getting cheated on by her boyfriend. Asmita Guts, as a self-respecting woman, aren't you supposed to distance yourself from a guy who literally betrayed you? जब आप सिंगल होते हो तो आप चीजें नहीं करते हो किसी के साथ. इन मर्दों को इतना ऑडेसिटी कहाँ से आता है? पहले चीट कर लो. तो क्या हो गया? तो क्या हो गया? What? Hi, so today we are back and I'm not wearing my horns today because this is a very raw real video. Splitsvilla 16, what a season. What a roller coaster ride it was, since the beginning till now. Oh my god. So let's just get into it right off the bat. Main part I'm gonna watch now, the whole Yogesh, Akanksha, Ruru part, but I have seen clips of what has happened. But problem ये है कि I think I'm recording a video after so long कि मैं बोलना भूल चुकी हूँ. So I want to talk about their journey from the beginning. जब वो पूरा ड्रामा हुआ, जब Ruru ने एंट्री मारी Splitsvilla में and Yogesh and Akanksha were together and then he flipped and within a day he was with Ruru and that whole situation, it was so fucking emotional. I swear to God, इतने सालों से मैं Splitsvilla देखती आई हूँ from the whole Ashwini season and Choti Bahu, उस season से मैं देखती आई हूँ and I have never felt this way about Splitsvilla. I have never cried this much watching Splitsvilla. Let's talk about their starting, okay? Ruru ने entry मारी थी Splitsvilla में. Obviously the whole villa shook. That whole part, I broke down so much. I think all of us have, in some way, if not the same way, we've always been in that position जहाँ पर हम अपने ही कहानी में तीसरा इंसान बन जाते हैं. We are out of our own love story, you know what I mean? And then it's no more our story and then it feels Yogesh और Ruru already एक relationship में थे या फिर उनका connection था पहले से ही. So Akanksha felt oh, what am I doing in their family matter? You know what I mean? वो ऐसा वाला feeling आती है कि मैं तो बाहर वाली हूँ तो मैं इनके बीच में इनके ड्रामा में क्यों फंस चुकी हूँ. It felt like that and I could feel it. I could feel her pain through my bones. उतना ज़्यादा मैंने I wanted to make a video back then as well, but मैं बहुत busy थी, मैं travel कर रही थी and I couldn't talk about it. But it was so heartbreaking. मेन प्रॉब्लम तो मर्द ही होते हैं बिकॉज इफ यू सी अगर ये पूरी सिचुएशन जो हुई है इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ योगेश, इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ हिज कंफ्यूजन. ही डजंट नो व्हाट ही वांट्स ब्रो. पहले उसको रूरू चाहिए थी, फिर उसको आकांक्षा चाहिए थी, फिर बाद में फिर से रूरू. आकांक्षा के लिए बहुत ज्यादा बुरा लगा था बिकॉज आई फेल्ट लाइक इट वाज मी इन हर प्लेस. मैंने इतनी सारी स्टोरीज लगाई थी. आई हैड माय फ्रेंड्स आस्किंग मी, आर यू एन आकांक्षा स्टैन, आर यू एन आकांक्षा स्टैन? आई वाज लाइक, नो, आई एम नॉट एन आकांक्षा स्टैन. I don't stan anybody. I'm nobody's fan. This is something I've always said all throughout my life because I'm nobody's fan other than myself, I guess. But yeah, I feel like you shouldn't be anyone's fan. Then comes that full awkward situation where Yogesh says I love you to Ruru on stage when Akanksha has been between them. What the fuck? What the fuck was that? इजहार भी करना था तो वहां स्टेज पे करना होता है और वो भी उस लड़की को अपने बीच में रख के, जिस लड़की को आप इतने वादे कर रहे थे, प्रोमिसेस कर रहे थे शो के बाहर, यहाँ जाने के वहां जाने के, जो आपने अपने एक्स के साथ किया था. फेल्ट लाइक ही वाज ट्राइंग टू फाइंड रूरू इन आकांक्षा. What the fuck, dude? Was this not enough of disrespect for Akanksha? जहां बोलना होता है there you have to speak. Even when the worst things happened, she was really really patient with him, okay, which is that's not how you should deal with these guys. ये सब हुआ ना, I had expected कि कहीं ना कहीं Akanksha will be like a strong diva. She'll have that self-respect to never look back at a guy like this. He literally ruined your fucking game on the show, bro. If he had not pre-planned this whole thing, if he had chosen you till the end, you guys could have probably won the show. Does that clock? I was really sympathizing for Akanksha until the finale. जो मैंने बातें सुनी है, let's just watch it for ourselves and we'll talk about it.
Nation wants to know. के साथ है? Ruru के साथ है या आकांक्षा के साथ है?
किसी के साथ?
Oh my God! What? Yo, what is that? Oh.
देखिए भाई.
तुमने तो देखी हुई है, तुम ही हो अंदर. This is Yogesh and Akanksha on Yogesh's shoulder. तो क्या हो गया?
तो क्या हो गया? What? निहारिका, what the fuck? Do you see Sadaf's expression? यहाँ पर दैट इज एग्जैक्टली माई एक्सप्रेशन राइट नाउ। और ये शो के बाद हो रहा है लाइक गर्ल डू यू हैव सम सॉर्ट ऑफ सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट आकांक्षा लाइक आई लिटरली ओ माय गॉड and oh my god, forget Ruru, forget Akanksha for a bit. Yogesh is doing this while he's in a relationship. Apparently he's in a relationship with Ruru at this point. Are you kidding me? What the You guys are encouraging this. I have seen so many memes, so many comments, so many posts where people are like, yay, Yoganksha is back. Yogesh finally chose Akanksha. He always liked Akanksha, bro. Are you serious? Are we actually justifying cheating? About Yogesh, क्या कर रहा है भाई? Do you even call yourself a man? You're like, oh yeah, she was blackmailing me, ये वो, मैंने मजबूरी में ये वो किया था. What the fuck? Do you not have a stand of yourself? Don't act like कि हाँ इसने मुझे ब्लैकमेल किया ये वो. आप भी इतना ही इन्वॉल्व थे प्री प्लानिंग में. What the hell? The audacity this guy has, Yogesh, oh my god. इन मर्दों को इतना audacity कहाँ से आता है? पहले चीट कर लो, फिर जाकर यहाँ खड़े होके वहां कर. देखो देखो नेशनल टेलीविजन पे. Oh my god.
मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, लवली बेस्ट फ्रेंड।
बार ब्रेकअप करने की कोशिश करी है, ये हर बारी मुझे धमकी
मैंने
देके
breakup करने की कोशिश
मैंने करी है, मैंने करी है,
और भी-
क्योंकि मुझे धमकी मिलती है एंड मैं आपको चैट्स में प्रूफ दिखाऊंगा.
ये चैट पे
ये चैट्स पे नहीं, कॉल पे.
अभी चैट पे थी, अभी कॉल्स पे हो गई। वाओ।
Okay, so पहली बात तो this is a classic act of deflection. So this is what happens. A lot of people do this in psychology. तो क्या होता है? When you blame someone, okay, when you say this is what you have done, you have cheated on me. वो बंदा जाकर क्या बोलता है कि he tries to manipulate you. So he, instead of addressing the situation that yes I cheated on you or what is that cheating situation, वो deflect कर रहा है कि भाई तूने मुझ पे cheat किया है. When that video of Ruru's was from 5 years back and it has been proven that it was from 5 years back. मतलब वो सिंगल थी, वो किसी के साथ जो भी करे 5 years बैक, इससे आपको क्या? वो जब रिलेशनशिप में थी आपके साथ योगेश, तब तो उसने चीट नहीं किया ना. तो like when she is saying that you have cheated on me, this is a picture I have. Do you know what's emotional cheating, by the way? It doesn't just mean like sleeping together or doing kissing or whatever. Friends ऐसे नहीं करते हैं, especially with someone you have had a history with. You don't lean on each other's shoulders and listen to romantic songs when you're in a relationship with someone else. The fuck? Who are you trying to fool? ये योगेश बोल रहा है कि ओ आकांक्षा डिस्टर्ब थी, आकांक्षा डिप्रेस थी, मैं भी डिप्रेस थी, मेरे फैमिली में ये हो रहा था वो हो रहा था, so that's why I thought of going to her and talking to her about it. Why her? थेरेपिस्ट के पास जाओ भाई, फ्रेंड के पास जाओ, किसी और के पास जाओ. उसी बंदी के साथ क्यों? आपकी जो बंदी है, आपकी बंदी को उसी लड़की से प्रॉब्लम है, राइट? तो उसी लड़की के पास आपको क्यों जाना है? ये तो वही हुआ ना. दिस इज लाइक अ क्लासिक एक्ट ऑफ अ चीटर. पहले बात तो वो बोलते हैं कि मैं डिप्रेस थी, इसीलिए आई वेंट टू दैट पर्सन फॉर कंफर्ट. माई क्वेश्चन इज दिस थिंग एग्जैक्टली कि उसी इंसान के पास क्यों जाना है भाई? और आकांक्षा, dude, there is nothing in this world that can justify something like that, okay? आकांक्षा babe, that is not justified. और आकांक्षा तो फिर भी उसको साइड में रखो. या योगेश was the one in a relationship with Ruru. What were you doing? Don't you have the oh my god, I just fact that he's bringing up this other kissing thingy. Have you never kissed in a club? Probably. आप क्या दूध के दूल्हे हो क्या? जब आप सिंगल होते हो तो आप चीजें नहीं करते हो किसी के साथ. Why is her kissing a girl from 5 years back a problem for you now? Like, why are you trying to deflect your cheating situation with something that is not even wrong? What she has done, like you want to cover up your situation, so you're trying to bring something जो है भी नहीं to make her look bad, so that your thing gets covered up. Classic deflection. Address the situation at hand, right? Oh my god, मेरा इतना like blood boil हो रहा है इस पूरे situation में. Oh my god. I feel like all three of them are, oh my god, I just can't. Mia's expression आपने देखा? She's like, because it's so tiring, bro. Like imagine for us as an audience, इतना ज़्यादा like mentally draining था ये episode. Like I feel like in between like watching this episode, I need to drink water. I need to like take a breath because it is so emotionally like it's very very heavy, dude. Like it's so toxic, everything. And I feel like the root cause of all of this is the guy. Okay, forget about the girls. It is the guy, and the girls. Their fault is that they're even thinking about. They're even making this guy a main character by even keeping him involved in this. Shit, yaar. I can't believe this is Yogesh, yaar. Like I've heard so many good things about him from Roadies. I've never watched Roadies, but I can't believe कि क्यों कर रहा है ये ऐसा. Like, bro, जो आकांक्षा का डिफेंस है that तब तुम लोगों का पैचअप भी नहीं हुआ था. भाई उनका पैचअप हो ब्रेकअप हो इससे आपको क्या. एज अ सेल्फ रिस्पेक्टिंग वुमेन aren't you supposed to like distance yourself from a guy who literally betrayed you on national television? I thought Akanksha was bigger than this. Like I did not see this coming out of Akanksha. I am in shock. आई एम इन शॉक. आकांक्षा यार फिर से रोने लग गई. पहले जब योगेश ने उसका हार्ट ब्रेक किया था दोज वर रियल. आई कुड सी इट इन आईज. बट दिस टाइम इट्स प्योर डिफ्लेक्शन. मतलब दिख रहा है यार. लाइक लुक एट देयर डिमीनर. लुक एट द वे दे आर बिहेविंग. They are very defensive, very very defensive. Akanksha bhi, they don't have a proper defense against this. Like what can you say when you have a picture and a video of you all being emotionally connecting and comforting each other? Like you, they have nothing to say. तो घुमा रहे हैं बातों को कि ये वो it's all noise. It's all bullshit. How can people be so oh, niche. Ew. Yogesh, when Asmita is saying तूने उस पे cheat किया है, you have to say sorry to his like किया होगा मैंने किया. Dude, क्या होगा. I'm not saying कि रूरू भी दूध की दूली है, that she was so amazing and all, but nobody deserves this, bro. Like cheating thing that can justify something as cheating, in my opinion. That's the lowest. Ew, disgusting. Like I love watching Yogesh, Akanksha, ये इन लोगों के videos मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. But what the fuck was this? I would say guts. Asmita, guts. Matlab you deserve Talia because I have seen so much hate against Asmita, Suzanne. No, bro. What is wrong with the audience? These girls are the real baddies, especially Asmita. I feel like Suzanne's kahin na kahin she has come out with the truth because she is angry with Akanksha, so she has finally brought the truth out. But Asmita, she had no benefit in all of this, but still she chose to speak the truth against somebody who's getting cheated on. Like against a girl who's getting cheated on by her boyfriend, so-called boyfriend, who apparently said I love you to her on stage, and that was also forced. वो भी धमकी बोल रहा है कि रूरू ने मुझे धमकी दिया था. That's why I said I love you. Are you kidding me? किसको बेवकूफ बना रहा है? किसको? What the hell? What the hell? I want to throw this on their head. But बहुत महंगा है ये लैपटॉप. नहीं कर सकते. So I feel like कहीं ना कहीं योगेश एंड आकांक्षा हैव प्लान्ड एंड काम यहाँ पर कि वो इस पूरा सच को बाहर निकालेंगे. The fact that he and Ruru had pre-planned their entry because that's the only defense. Like that's the only thing they can use against Ruru right now. You know, पहले they tried to do the whole thing that Ruru also was cheating on Yogesh with her best friend, but then the video was 5 years old, तो वो तो चला गया because of a tattoo, thanks to her tattoo. This तो उन लोगों ने plan किया था because one time when Akanksha was about to say कि she was about to take the point of the pre-planning, that time Yogesh was like नहीं वो he told Akanksha कि नहीं वो बात नहीं है, I'm talking about something else, about the cheating part. So I feel like कहीं ना कहीं योगेश और आकांक्षा ने ये pre-plan किया था कि yeah, they knew that Ruru is going to expose the whole cheating thing, right? Because she had said it in so many interviews. तो उन लोगों ने ये plan किया होगा कि let's expose the whole pre-planning shit because that's the, I mean, see, it's like Yogesh had pre-planned the whole entry with Ruru apparently, right? So, and now Ruru has exposed him that he was cheating on her during their relationship. So, to defend something so big as cheating, he has to expose a smaller lie that he pre-planned with her. You know what I'm trying to say? Like, एक चीज को छुपाने के लिए दूसरी झूठ को एक्सपोज करना पड़ रहा है योगेश को, and he's okay with it because when Akanksha is talking about the whole pre-planning thing, that how they had planned it. They are putting the blame on Ruru as if ये सब Ruru का ही plan था. But it was Yogesh and Ruru equally at fault. But and the way like Yogesh is nodding at Akanksha when she's talking about the whole pre-planning thing, it's like बहुत evident है भाई साहब कि these two, Akanksha and Yogesh had planned कि वो ये बात expose करेंगे so that Ruru की जो cheating की allegation है वो दबा सकते हैं. Like do you clock it? Just look at all the micro expressions. Like धीरे धीरे देखो, एक 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 इंसान को धीरे धीरे अच्छे से notice करके देखो. And people who are being blind, Akanksha, there are some fans of Akanksha who are blind. See, I'm not saying go hate this girl, go hate Yogesh, go hate Ruru. मैं नहीं बोल रही हूँ, but जो सच है ना वो बोलो, जो हमें ऑडियंस को दिखाई दे रहा है ना वो बोलो. Don't be blind to it. If there is cheating involved, accept it. If you have the to cheat on your partner, have to accept it also. Instead of deflecting, trying to put her down. Yeah, oh my god, I just these are kids, bro.
नहीं है, ये बताया इसने.
चुप रहे. उससे क्लियर कर, अपने बंदे से क्लियर कर, मुझसे मत कर, समझी?
मेरा बंदा नहीं है, तेरा बंदा है. Sorry. Oh,
मेरा भी नहीं है, तेरा होगा.
मेरा बंदा नहीं है, तेरा बंदा होगा. नहीं, मेरा भी बंदा नहीं है. मतलब अब योगेश तो वो ऐसे खड़ा है वहां पर. Bro, you are the problem. You are the one who has caused this chaos. और वो ऐसे खड़ा है. Oh my god, Ruru, what the fuck? At this point, I have lost sympathy for all three people. Including Ruru, including Akanksha. Yogesh तो खैर picture से बाहर ही है. मतलब, oh my god, the fact that she had done this to save Yogesh. मतलब, you have seen the way Yogesh is behaving. Both of them, Yogesh and Akanksha, they are behaving as if the whole pre-planning thing was only done by Ruru, when Yogesh was equally involved. Yogesh knew that Ruru will enter the show, right? Eventually. But फिर भी उसने इतना strong connection आकांक्षा के साथ बनाया. ओके, और फिर उसको बीच में रख के स्टेज पे रूरू को आई लव यू बोला. लाइक रूरू ने ऐसा करने के लिए बोला तो होगा नहीं. मतलब आर यू गाइस क्लॉकिंग इट? हु इज द मेन प्रॉब्लम हियर? मर जात यार, मर जात. मतलब ओ माय गॉड, आकांक्षा, like oh my god, they are making Ruru the problem here just because she's exposing Yogesh for the whole cheating thing. Oh my god, this is the exact situation of victim blaming. मतलब तू ही problem है, तूने ही किया है ये वो. मतलब they're deflecting from the actual situation. The main problem is cheating, but no, pre-planning ये वो चल में side वाली चीजें हैं वो लेकर आ रहे हैं. The main issue they're not addressing, they're deflecting. Classic deflection by young people watching this video. Please don't make any of these people your idols. Yes, take inspiration from them. Like Yogesh is a good performer. Kanksha, she had body image issues, body dysmorphia, I think something like that in her like teenage years, but she overcame that and she went for the pageant and everything. Even Ruru, like she had body issues, she had hair issues, but she's dealing with it so bravely. So take the good parts of these people, but don't make anybody your idol. That's one thing I would say. This is one thing I have learned from watching reality TV since so many years. Nobody is Bhagwan over here. Bhagwan to upar hi hai. None of these people, don't make them your Bhagwan. Don't defend anyone aimlessly ki, oh, मैं तो opinions दे रही हूँ from the audience जो audience को लगता है, and this is like what I like doing. But do not make this like this fans. I think I need therapy after watching this episode. I'm so like मेरे सर में दर्द हो रहा है अभी. Like bro, the way Akanksha is defending Yogesh, मतलब तो ये लग रहा है कि they are in a relationship, even though I don't know what's going on for real. But like she's first of all like, oh Yogesh बहुत रो रहा था, Ruru you messed up his mind इसलिए वो मेरे से बात कर रहा था. अरे भाई तू इक्वेशन में क्यों आ गई वापस? इस लड़के ने तुझे डिसरिस्पेक्ट किया on national TV. You should be far away from him. Even if you want to talk, respectfully talk. कंधे पे सर रख के, रोमांटिक गाने सुन के, इमोशनली कनेक्ट होके. This is next level emotional cheating. Like, and the way Akanksha is defending this and how stupid. I don't want to say that, but like there will be, I will get hate for this now, but there will be some stupid immature fans of Akanksha who will still defend this कि हाँ Akanksha तो मतलब हमारी queen है तो कुछ गलत कर नहीं सकती. No babe, this is not queen behavior. I can't. I loved Akanksha यार, मतलब ये क्या? I used to legit post stories for this girl. You think Asmita is such a baddie, bro. Asmita, Suzanne are jealous of you because you're doing good. That's why they're trying to take you down. Are you kidding me? If anything, I think if they had blindly supported you, they would have got more fame because you have a lot of blind fans who are supporting you. But they chose to speak the truth and go against you. That takes guts, okay? It takes fucking guts to be against someone who is loved by so many people. इतना भी अंधा मत हो यार. Like, seriously guys, crying is not going to make you the victim here. Like, even people who are proven guilty cry because oh, they are being exposed. Oh, their family is watching them being exposed. Not even crocodile tears, they are real tears, but they are tears because they're being exposed. And I can't, like, I don't want to say things against anyone and I'm not speaking against anyone, but ये मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव है जो मैं शेयर कर रही हूँ विदाउट एनी बायसनेस, ओके, एज एन ऑडियंस, just like you guys. You can share your opinions in the comments. This is disgusting. Let me just say that. I don't know कि सुजैन के बातों में कितना सच है कितना झूठ है, but she said that Kanksha said that Ruru is getting her karma now for making me cry in the show. First of all, I don't think it's Ruru who made you cry. It is Yogesh. And have you seen the whole thing? Like, keep Akanksha at the side, keep Ruru at the side. Yeah, Yogesh to chill hai. It's the girls who are like devastated, crying, being targeted. Like, I don't think Akanksha or Ruru need to be involved. Agar the guns need to be pointed, they need to be pointed at Yogesh. But nobody is talking about him. He's तो chill वहाँ पर, मतलब भाई साहब क्या? But उस वक्त उसको लगा होगा कि yeah, I have pre-planned, so let me take this option. But अभी जब उसको पता चला कि Akanksha is getting so much love outside, so he thought, अभी मेरी जो बोट है मैं उसकी तरफ घुमा देता हूँ. Maybe I will get love now. I will get shipped again. One thing I definitely agree with Saurabh, अगर किसी की भी गलती है कि तो वो योगेश की है. That's right. That is right. Akanksha, Ruru side में रखो यार. Yogesh, why is he chilling there? Why are the guns not pointing at him? In the whole bisexual thing, the whole... Are these people kids? हाँ, मतलब इस generation में... Oh my god. I am in shock. But at the same time, अगर योगेश आ भी रहा है to Akanksha, why is Akanksha entertaining him, baby? क्यों entertain किया इसको? I know you had a soft corner for him. I know you felt things for him, but क्यों यार? अपनी भी तो कोई respect रखो. रूरू ने तेरे साथ कुछ भी गलत नहीं किया है, सो उसकी भी रिस्पेक्ट रखो, खुद की भी रिस्पेक्ट रखो. पहले नेशनल टेलीविजन सबके सामने आपको बिट्रे किया है. लाइक, आई नो यू गॉट फेम फ्रॉम इट, विच इज अ गुड थिंग, थैंक गॉड. बट अगर वो नहीं हुआ होता, सो it's such a traumatic thing. Why would you want to go back to that same person? And why are you trying to fix yourself by the same person who broke you? What logic is that? Now Karan Kundra has questioned Akanksha कि Akanksha, what the fuck is that video? Yes, Akanksha, what the fuck is that video? मुझे बहुत रेज है अंदर से, but I can't say it out loud because there are people outside, तो धीरे बोलना पड़ेगा. But this girl, I just opened Instagram abhi and I saw one reel defending Yogesh, okay, and his behavior, and Akanksha liked that reel. What the fuck? इन लोगों का पैचअप हो रहा है क्या? मतलब just because Yogesh came to you and उसकी दुख भरी कहानी उसने सुनाई, this girl has melted for him. The fuck, dude? Then why did Akanksha go in all the videos and not talk about it, all her interviews? Why didn't she say that, yeah, we met and he told me how bad Ruru is and that Yogesh is actually a good guy, he's not a bad guy? Like, the fuck? She played the whole sympathy card कि उसके साथ ही बुरा हुआ है. Bro, अगर तेरे साथ सच में एक बुरा हुआ था, then why are you sympathizing with this guy? Why are you defending him against Ruru? Like, bro, Akanksha, what the hell? What the helly? Also, the fact that people can just lie with the help of AI, like Ruru. Oh my god. कोई भी दूध का दूल्हा नहीं है यहाँ पर. Even if she did it to defend Yogesh, I feel like Ruru and Yogesh both are equally involved, obviously, but only Ruru is getting the blame for the pre-planning.
योगेश ने रूरू को बोला कि मैं आकांक्षा के साथ सारा गेम खेल लेता हूँ, पर मैं दिस इज द स्टोरी, दिस इज व्हाई आई सिंपैथाइज्ड विद हिम, दिस इज व्हाई मैंने उसकी सुनी.
You see Asmita's face here? This is my exact reaction. Akanksha is like, Yogesh ने आके मुझसे ये सब कहा रूरू के बारे में, that's why I sympathized with him. sympathized. जिस लड़के ने तेरे साथ इतना गलत किया, one day that villain will come to you and say, हाँ, he will always have a justification. He will always lie. Okay, he will always try to sympathize, get your sympathy. Sorry, and you will fall for it, for the trap. इतनी बेवकूफ है तू. और योगेश क्या छोटा सा बच्चा है कि कोई धमकाएगा, कोई ये करेगा और वो मान जाएगा. But the hypocrisy, bro. It is obvious. If things are going wrong between Yogesh and Ruru, he will make Ruru the villain. And then he will come to you and try to get your sympathy. And you will agree to everything he says. Karan Kundra has asked the perfect question. अरे यार, अगर योगेश तू मिलने गया आकांक्षा से या whatever, or you met her there by chance or whatever, why the fuck did you hide this from रूरू? खुद ही गलती करो और फिर ब्लेम भी उसी विक्टिम पे डालो कि हाँ मैं उस विक्टिम से डर रहा था इसीलिए मैंने किया. The दोगलापन भाई. Oh my god, you can see it on Yogesh's face. You can see it कि वो झूठ बोल रहा है, कि वो डिफ्लेक्ट करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, कि he is trying to be the victim and make Ruru the villain. Do you see the moment Ruru says clearly कि ये प्रॉब्लम है, कि उसने पहले मुझे बताया नहीं इसके बारे में, secondly I won't go to an ex और कंधा देख के उसका कंधा लेके रोमांटिक गाने नहीं सुनूंगी. This guy had no other defense. So the immediate thing he does is he pounces on Ruru and starts shouting at her, and he uses the reverse woman card. I don't think Ruru ने एक बार भी वो woman card इस्तेमाल किया, but he uses it in reverse. He's like, oh yeah, you're a woman, right? Obviously you're going to use it. Obviously you're going to act like, oh yeah, you are the victim. Bye. I've heard of people using the woman card. I've never heard of a man using a reverse woman card. मतलब ये तो नेक्स्ट लेवल है भाई साहब. मतलब व्हाट अ मैनिपुलेटर यार. उसने तो पूरी तैयारी करके आया है कि मैं तो मैनिपुलेट करूंगा इस फिनाले को, और लोग हो भी रहे हैं मैनिपुलेट. सो तू तो लड़की है, तू तो यही बोलेगी ना भाई. शी डिडंट से आई एम अ गर्ल तो ये हुआ है. योगेश, व्हाट द फक, द वे, ओह माय गॉड. आई वॉन्ट टू नो कि इस बंदे ने कौन सी स्कूल से मैनिपुलेशन स्किल्स सीखी है, बिकॉज गुड जॉब योगेश, टू गुड. आई डेंट एक्सपेक्ट दिस फ्रॉम योगेश यार. मतलब आई थॉट ही वॉज अ बेटर मैन. वाओ. यू
तू क्या लड़की है, तू तो यही बोलेगी ना. भाई मैं लड़का हूँ, तुझे पता मैं कुछ बोल नहीं सकता, तू यही बोल.
यार, what is wrong with him?
Go back.
my exact reaction. That wasn't the first time they met. They were living in Delhi for 3 days. Suzanne, बहन तू कहाँ थी? All this time you kept quiet. The moment you had a falling out with Akanksha, you thought of exposing this. Like,
क्या कर रही है सूजी? तू जबरदस्ती झूठ बोल रही है तू.
I genuinely felt very very bad for Ruru here. मतलब वो इतना रो रही है यार. And why is Akanksha crying? Is it because they're getting exposed? हाँ, तो फिर यहाँ से मेरा माइक बंद हो गया था एंड आई डिडंट इवन रियलाइज इट, और मैं बोलती गई जैसे कि कुछ हुआ ही नहीं है. पर फाइनली योगेश कन्फेस्ड हिज फीलिंग्स फॉर आकांक्षा. लाइक द हेल इज रॉन्ग विद दिस गाय. बिफोर द शो ही हैड फीलिंग्स फॉर रूरू. अपेरेंटली ही वाज सपोज्ड टू टीम अप विद रूरू व्हेन शी कम्स बैक इन द शो. फिर उसके बाद उसको फीलिंग्स आई आकांक्षा के लिए. फिर रूरू वापस आ गई तो देन ही वाज इन लव विद रूरू अगेन. देन नाउ आफ्टर द शो अगेन ही हैड फॉलिंग अपार्ट विद रूरू. सो नाउ अगेन ही लाइक्स आकांक्षा. द हेल ब्रो. अगर यहाँ पर कोई विलन है तो वो एक ही बंदा है, और आई थिंक इट्स प्रीटी ऑब्वियस हु इट इज बाय नाउ. ऑल्सो दिस इज सो वियर्ड टू मी दैट Akanksha was getting all the sympathy. She was posting so many sad reels and all of that. Even in her posts, her captions were so sad. But in the background, she was going and sympathize, and we didn't even know anything. I mean, अगर कटा किसी का है तो वो audience का ही कटा है, किसी और का नहीं. Oh my God, it's so funny. कहीं ना कहीं I understand कि उन दोनों का relationship योगेश और रूरू का बहुत ज़्यादा toxic बन चुका था, because you can see it. You know, they just can't be together. Like one person is very abrupt, other person has no clarity. It was toxic. It was like like a atom bomb की कभी भी फट सकता है. योगेश की अगर मैं बोलूं तो गलती ये है कि उसकी कोई क्लैरिटी नहीं है. उसको तो दोनों चाहिए, उसको आकांक्षा भी चाहिए, उसको रूरू भी चाहिए. Like he wants the best of both. Also on another note, being an option to a guy is so fucking annoying. Like just don't be a part of this dynamic, okay? तो show के बाद जब things started falling apart between Yogesh and Ruru, he decided to make Ruru the villain. So I feel like इसके वजह से he went to Akanksha, tried to get her sympathy. Probably guilt भी था because obviously he was getting so much hate and Akanksha was getting so much love. So guilt भी होगा उसमें, but he got together with Akanksha just to assassinate Ruru's character. Like, do you see that? How horrible that is. Like, you apparently loved this girl. By the way, in this part, Yogesh says that जब Ruru ने एंट्री मारी थी स्प्लिट्सविला में, तब उसके पैरों तले जमीन खिसक गई. But at the same time, you are accepting that you had pre-planned everything with Ruru. So what the hell? Like, it doesn't match. It doesn't make sense. Like, it's so clear that he's lying. Oh my god. Throw him out of this universe. Throw him to some other planet. All the men to some other planet. What Anisha has said is so right. Shame on this man. Finally. And said, who you'll be fighting for? You know that. And she said, myself, sir. Yes, Ruru. That is what a baddie does. Akanksha, nobody cares about your followers. If anything, they could have gained by being your friend. Manipulation skills pro max. Correct. I can finally breathe a sigh of relief that the episode is over. Because what the fuck was this drama, man? And other way Karan Kundra said कि season तो खत्म हो गया लेकिन ड्रामा खत्म नहीं हुआ. That's so true. But yeah, like I wanted to talk about like all the contestants, like what I feel about them, because Gullu, Kaira, Diptanshu, ये सब I have opinions on them as well. But yeah, I think I'll talk about it in the next video. But for now, I think I just wanted to focus on the whole Yogesh, Akanksha, Ruru thing. And I think it's already been a very long video anyway. I just hope the best for all three of them. I think they're all doing well, I hope, mentally as well. And I hope people don't do such things in the future again. I mean, it's very low. It's very low. Yeah. And again, like, my opinions are just my opinions based on what I've seen. Baki to, I don't have any personal grudges. I'm just a girl from an audience like you, just like you. This is what I perceive. This is what is my very unbiased opinion, from loving Akanksha to being confused about what the fuck. But it's just not a good ending, I would say. Yogesh, though, never mind. And Ruru, I mean, वो situation बहुत toxic बन चुकी थी. Probably she really liked him and she tried her best, but that's the problem. When you do too much also for someone, it's problematic. So then they term you as toxic too much. What's up? So I think girls, just have your dignity. And I'll see you soon in my next video, which will come next week or probably this week. देखती हूँ. Okay.